tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy WNBA tickets here through the SeatGeek application. So once SeatGeek's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left and either press the home screen, which we're on right now, or right beside that, press on the magnifying glass or the search icon. Either one will work. Now, once that is done, I'll go back to the home screen here. I'm just going to scroll down to where it says Browse by Category. I'm then going to go ahead and press on Sports right here. Once you're on the sports page at the top, you can slide this bar all the way to the top to where it says, sorry, not NCAA baseball. If you keep scrolling, I believe I saw WNBA right here. Yeah, press on that just like that. And once you're here, you can view a bunch of games in your region. So for this example, I have Chicago set as the region, the Chicago Sky. But if you want to watch Caitlin Clark play, for instance, we'll go ahead and type in Indianapolis just like this. And then the Indiana Fever, my apologies, are right here. And you can watch Caitlin Clark play or whoever you want in regards to WNBA basketball. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy WNBA tickets through SeatGeek. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.